What's up, family? Welcome back to your favorite waving channel. So, man, I know I haven't been posting lately, and man, I guess the whole YouTube space is discouraging, real discouraging, because man, the views come in slow, the subscribers come in slow, so it's just like, why post? And I love the comments and the feedback and everybody telling me to not stop, keep sharing. So, you know what? I guess what we'll do is not stop, keep sharing. All you guys have to keep doing is keep subscribing, keep getting people to subscribe, keep viewing, keep sharing, and I'll keep posting, y'all. So please just do me that favor because I am mad discouraged. But with that being said, I'm gonna keep sharing. So let me share some tips. If you're trying to keep your waves deeper, keep your waves consistent, guys, don't forget this is a journey. Keep brushing. Wash your waves twice a week. I do my wave wash routine on a Monday and a Thursday. So, keep doing that. So, let me get to the video today. I'm going to talk y'all through this. Put these down. So I'm going to moisturize my hair as I always do. Wait, hold up. Let me show y'all the progress so far. We dipping. We are dipping. Guys, always keep your hair moisturized. That's the single most important thing, to keep your hair moisturized. And the longer your hair gets, guys, make sure that you know when to double rag up. So sometimes you should double do rag. That's good for double compression, because sometimes a single do-rag doesn't do the job as well as two do-rags, right? That's a tip. And yeah, I found my palm brush, my soft ball bristle palm brush. Guys, one of the most important things you guys have to understand is finding your crown so that you find your pattern. You feel me? And once you found your crown and your pattern, everything just becomes so much simpler. And this is a necessity. You need to get a hand mirror so you know your angles and how you're brushing. And yeah, I use my hard brush. Actually, I use all my brushes before I sleep, because you don't want to mess up your hair when you're going out. So if I'm going out and it's during the day, I just do like a soft brush routine so that my hair is properly laid and is not like real frizzy from like the hard brushes and shit. So I advise y'all to get a soft brush. Whether it's a palm line or, a club brush, doesn't make a difference. Just as long as it's soft. Because that soft brush changes your hair texture, So you just keep brushing, Like, you can never brush enough. You can never say I've brushed too long. But you can say I've brushed too little. And I usually brush 3 times a day when I'm free, when I'm not twice. So in the morning and before I sleep, And guys, make sure you wash your do-rags consistently. Wash your brushes. Cleanliness is next to godliness. That's the name of the wave game. Man, waving is more than just getting your hair to wave, bruh. It's a lifestyle. Like, waving helps with getting your look together, right? So, whether you're a formal guy, a casual guy, a fashion forward guy like I am, man, waves just set your look and like certify it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just gives your look so much more cleanliness. Like, it's great to have style, but don't let your style be undermined by a hairstyle. You feel me? Like, people need to see that you take care of yourself, you know, like you love yourself, self-love. And grooming is essentially one of the like the surface levels of self-love. So if you groom yourself well, and I mean, if you washing or brushing, you're gonna have like the residue of your moisturizer on your forehead. So guys, it's important to have a great skin routine for after you brush, so that you get all that stuff out your forehead, man. Otherwise you break out, and when your skin breaks out, there's no use to having waves, because your waves make your skin pop if you've got good skin. So you need to keep your skin healthy. That's why it's important to wash your do-rags. And make sure you sleep with like a towel on your pillowcases, so that like if you over moisturize, it doesn't get your pillowcases dirty, and that gets on your skin and makes your skin break out. And now you've got pimples, but your waves are popping, and you know your whole look just doesn't look well put together. And change your bedding frequently. Wash your pillowcases. Gents, I need to not lie to you. When you take care of yourself, you tend to understand your value. You know not to date a girl that doesn't take care of herself. You know not to entertain niggas or keep a squad of boys around you that don't take care of themselves. You need to smell good. I should actually be a lifestyle coach. What do y'all think of that? Hit the gym too. Get your body in shape. Understand your style. Understand yourself. It's not just waves. It's not just waves. This teaches you resilience. It teaches you that if you put enough work into something, you get desired outcomes. And that builds confidence. So do you want to be a confident nigga? Or you want to be a nigga that's not confident? And you know what tells? How about you take care of yourself? So yeah, after I've brushed, I'm gonna hit my hair with the plastic bag method, right? So essentially, I don't know how this works, but it keeps working. This lays your hair beautifully, man. Like, it lays your ropes. Trust me, and having your look well put together makes people take you more seriously, because you take yourself seriously. So yeah, that's done. So after that, I'm gonna put 2 do-rags on. Double compression, because my hair's long now. I'm wolfing. And don't tie your do-rag too tight, because that's gonna cut circulation and leave rag lines all along your forehead. And the tighter and more consistent you keep your do-rag on, bro, like those creases in your forehead, they don't go away, man. Like, they stay on your forehead even if you're not wearing a do-rag for a long time. You get those two-tone complexions, or that's why it's better to like double compress by wearing 2 do-rags rather than tighten just one. That was just a short brush routine, because I just thought I need to get something in and let y'all know that I'm still here and I'm still gonna keep doing this thing for y'all. And yeah, guys, please just keep supporting, get people to subscribe, you subscribe, keep getting people to view. Please do that for me, and follow me on socials. It's Why Not Rock It on Instagram, Why Not Rock It on Twitter. And yeah, guys, stay wavy.